Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify a game cache files on Steam. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is launch your Steam on your desktop or in your app on your Windows or in your desktop. And once you launch it, what you need to do is simply tap on the library option on the top, and once you tap on library, here you can see your downloaded games. Now all you gotta do in order to verify the game cache is select the game that you want to verify. So let's just, once you select the game, all you gotta do is just right click on it, and once you right click on it, you'll be provided with these options. Simply click on properties, and once you click on properties, here you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Now on the left hand side, you'll be seeing options like general, updates, local files, language, betas, and controllers. Simply select the option that says local files, and once you click on local files, here you'll be seeing this backup game file option and verifying integrity of game files. Now in order to verify, what you need to do is simply click on verify integrity of game files, and once you do that, and once the game verifies it, that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.